Top 50 important weekly current affairs from 23rd to 30th April 2026 for TNPSC and other competitive exams. Now, let's go through this week's important updates. First question: which position has India secured globally in renewable energy installed capacity as per the IRENA Renewable Energy Statistics 2026 report? Correct answer: third. Next question: what is the name of the initiative launched by the National Highways Authority of India to develop medicinal plant corridors along highways? Correct answer: ROK1. Next question: who is the author of the Tamil novel Kopalapurathu Makkal, which was translated into English as People of Gopalapuram? Correct answer: K. Rajanarayanan. Next question: in which Indian state was Operation Himsetu conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer: Sikkim. Next question: which state in Northeast India will host the Kalai 2 hydroelectric project? Correct answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Next question: which highly decorated Indian Army officer, popularly known as the Lion of Ladakh, passed away recently? Correct answer: Sonam Wangchuk. Next question: in which Indian state was exercise Brahmastra conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer: Rajasthan. Next question: in which state has Vantara University, the world's first integrated global university focused on wildlife conservation and veterinary sciences, been announced? Correct answer: Jamnagar, Gujarat. Next question: which Indian port has advanced methanol bunkering facilities as part of India's green maritime transition? Correct answer: Kandla Port. Next question: which Tamil Nadu-based climate organization received recognition in the global report Champions of Change released by the Earthshot Prize? Correct answer: Tamil Nadu Green Climate Company. Next question: in which Tamil Nadu town is India's prototype fast breeder reactor located? Correct answer: Kalpakkam. Next question: what is the term used for the stage when a self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction begins in a reactor? Correct answer: criticality. Next question: which two major sources lead to the formation of tar balls in oceans? Correct answer: oil spills and natural seepage. Next question: under which article of the Constitution does the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly operate? Correct answer: Article 168. Next question: which two countries are participating in the joint military exercise TUSLIC 2026? Correct answer: India and Uzbekistan. Next question: which space agency conducted the Artemis 2 lunar mission? Correct answer: NASA. Next question: which country hosted the 22nd edition of the Senior Asian Wrestling Championships in 2026? Correct answer: Kyrgyzstan. Next question: which country topped the medal standings at the 2026 Senior Asian Wrestling Championships? Correct answer: Iran. Next question. Which country hosted the Asian Boxing Championships 2026? Correct answer, Mongolia. Next question. Which country topped the medal standings at the Asian Boxing Championships 2026? Correct answer, Kazakhstan. Next question. Which field was associated with Padma Vibhushan awardee Asha Bhosle, who passed away recently? Correct answer, playback singing. Next question. Which constitutional provision primarily deals with the appointment and removal of Supreme Court judges? Correct answer, Article 124. Next question. Which article of the Constitution extends provisions related to removal to High Court judges? Correct answer, Article 218. Next question. What is the name of India's first AI-based system dedicated to narcotics investigations? Correct answer, Narit AI. Next question. Which climatic event is associated with warming in the Pacific Ocean and reduced Indian monsoon rainfall? Correct answer, El Nino. Next question. Who was recently appointed as the Director General of Police and Head of Police Force in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Sandeep Rai, Rattor. Next question. Which organization launched Radio Sikkim Sundari, the first border village community radio station in Sikkim? Correct answer, Indian Army. Next question. In which Indian state was the new gecko species Certodactylus raymonensis discovered? Correct answer, Assam. Next question. Which country topped the medal standings at the Badminton Asia Championships 2026? Correct answer, South Korea. Next question. Under which act was the online portal for victims of usury created in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu Money Lending Entities Act, 2025. Next question. In which country was the first life-size statue of Swami Vivekananda unveiled in 2026? Correct answer, Seattle, United States. Next question. What is the commonly used Indian name for the morchella mushroom? Correct answer, Gucci. Next question. In which region of India was the breakthrough in artificial cultivation of Gucci mushroom achieved? Correct answer, Kashmir. Next question. Which Indian athlete won the men's long jump event at the Indian Athletics Series 2026? Correct answer, Murli Srishankar. Next question. What is the proposed increase in the strength of the Lok Sabha under the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026? Correct answer, 543 to 850 members. Next question. Which article of the Constitution is proposed to be modified to allow expansion of Lok Sabha membership under the new amendment bill? Correct answer, Article 81. Next question. Which article of the Constitution currently links delimitation to the first census conducted after 2026? Correct answer, Article 82. Next question. Which pan-India electronic trading platform was launched in April 2016 to transform agricultural trade in India? Correct answer, e-NAM. Next question. What is the name of the first blue water sailing expedition flagged off by the Indian Army's Regiment of Artillery in 2026? Correct answer, Samudra Sahas. Next question. Which Indian pair won the gold medal in the mixed team 10-meter air pistol event at the ISSF World Cup 2026 in Spain? Correct answer, Mukesh Nilavali and Palak Gulia. Next question. Which Indian chess player won the Women's Candidates Tournament 2026 held in Cyprus? Correct answer, R. Vaishali. Next question. Which international organization released the report titled Military Escalation in the Middle East Human Development Impacts Across Asia and the Pacific in April 2026? Correct answer, United Nations Development Programme. Next question. Which international organization released the April 2026 World Economic Outlook report titled Global Economy in the Shadow of War? Correct answer, International Monetary Fund. Next question. According to the IMF's World Economic Outlook 2026, to which position did India slip in the global GDP rankings? Correct answer, 6th. Next question. Which global financial institution launched the Water Forward initiative in April 2026 to improve water security worldwide? Correct answer, World Bank Group. Next question. Which Indian botanist from Kerala received the WWF National Award in April 2026 for developing an invasive plant detection app? Correct answer, N. Aleem Yusuf. Next question. In which Indian state was the new burrowing reed snake species Calamaria garroensis discovered? Correct answer, Meghalaya. Next question. At which temple are inscriptions describing the battle between Shivaji and Afzal Khan located? Correct answer, Bradishwara Temple. Next question. In which language are the inscriptions about Shivaji and Afzal Khan written at the Bradishwara Temple? Correct answer, Marathi. Next question. Match the festival with the related description. Correct answer, option A. Now, the correct matches are Vishu, Malayali New Year; Baisakhi, formation of the Khalsa Panth; Bohag Bihu, Assamese New Year; Poila Boishakh, Bengali New Year. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more current affairs videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.